Top 9 fastest military planes in active service. 9. Shenyang J-11, Flanker B, China. Top speed, Mach 2.0, 1,553 miles per hour. The J-11 is a twin-engine fighter introduced in 1998. Its airframe is based on the Soviet Su-27. China was the first foreign country to obtain this privilege. At a glance, the J-11 looks exactly the same, but China has upgraded it and also used it for further concepts. The J-16, for example, is a proposed stealthified variant. 8. Mitsubishi F2, Japan. Top speed, Mach 2.0, 1,553 miles per hour. The F2 was initially intended to be a wholly domestic fighter, but that program was eventually abandoned. Instead, Japan procured the Lockheed F-16C multi-role platform. The F2 was jointly built by Mitsubishi and Lockheed Martin, but it's been highly modified in unique Japanese ways. It's about 25% longer and features new radar and avionics. 7. Mika Yungurevich MiG-23 Flagger, Soviet Union. Top speed, Mach 2.0, 1,553 miles per hour. The MiG-23 was the first Soviet variable geometry aircraft. The third-generation fighter was introduced in 1970. It was a major step forward for the Soviet aircraft industry. It had a look-down, shoot-down radar and beyond visual range missiles. The Soviet Top Gun was retired from the Russian Air Force, yet it's still in service in 9 Asian and African countries. 6. Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor, United States. Top speed, Mach 2.1, 1,599 miles per hour. This stealth fighter first flew in 1997. It was developed exclusively for the U.S. Air Force. The F-22 has an extremely low radar profile and formidable weaponry. F-22s are so advanced, they are never exported. They will serve until at least the 2030s. 5. Sukhoi Su-57 Felon, Russia. Top speed, Mach 2.1, 1,616 miles per hour. The Su-57 is Russia's newest stealth fighter. It incorporates super maneuverability, super cruise, and integrated avionics. The fighter also has substantial internal payload capacity. It's Russia's only stealth aircraft in service since 2020. There's little evidence of its being used. 4. Mitsubishi F-15J Eagle, Japan. Top speed, Mach 2.5, 1,656 miles per hour. This air superiority fighter is based on the F-15 Eagle. It also has a modernized version, the F-15 Jaykai. Introduced back in 1981, the so-called Peace Eagle is still in service. Japan is the only operator of J models. Mitsubishi keeps improving the original design all the time. There are 155 F-15Js in service, the largest F-15 fleet outside the U.S. 3. Mikoyan MiG-31 Foxhound, Soviet Union. Top speed, Mach 2.4, 1,864 miles per hour. This Soviet interceptor was developed in the 1970s. It shares many design elements with the earlier MiG-25. It's one of the world's fastest combat jets. Today, only Russia and Kazakhstan operate MiG-31s. Russia plans to keep them in service until the 2030s. 2. McDonnell Douglas F-15EX Eagle II, United States. Top speed, Mach 2.4, 1,864 miles per hour. This is the newest development of the Strike Eagle. The F-15E Strike Eagle is the backbone of the U.S. Air Force today. It has seen extensive combat in Iraq, Syria, and elsewhere. The Eagle II was introduced in 2021. It has replaced aging F-15Cs as an interim solution. The fighter is expected to become obsolete by 2028. It will then be phased out in favor of the F-35 Lightning II. 1. Mika Yungurevich MiG-25 Foxbat, Soviet Union. Top speed, Mach 2.8, 2,156 miles per hour. The supersonic interceptor is almost unmatched in terms of speed. It's primarily built of stainless steel. Designed in the early 1960s, the MiG-25 is in limited service. The plane's only operator is the Syrian Air Force. But at one point, it was a real threat to CIA spy planes.